I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread nasta step by step. Gather 3 cups flour, 1 cup warm water, 2 tsp yeast, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix dry ingredients first, then add water gradually while stirring to form a shaggy dough. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place in an oiled bowl, cover, and let rise until doubled in size before shaping and baking. Start by combining flour, sugar, salt, and yeast in a large bowl, then pour in warm water slowly while stirring. When the dough comes together, turn it onto a floured surface and knead with firm, rhythmic motions for about 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should feel smooth and slightly springy when ready. Lightly oil a bowl, place the dough inside, and cover it to rest and rise. After the first rise, gently deflate the dough and transfer it to a lightly floured surface for shaping. Shape into a loaf or divide into rolls, handling the dough carefully to preserve air bubbles. Place shaped dough into a greased pan or on a baking sheet and let it undergo a final rise until slightly puffy. Preheat the oven to the recommended temperature during this time, so baking starts from a hot environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.